Selling feels hard, right? You hesitate, overthink, and sometimes avoid it altogether. But why? Most people struggle with sales because they see it as convincing instead of serving. Here is the truth. If you believe in your product, if you know it can truly help someone, then selling isn't about pushing. It is about guiding. Think of it like this. If you had the perfect solutions to someone's problem, wouldn't you feel excited to share it? That's the shift. That's the shift from selling to service. And once you master this shift, guess what? Selling becomes effortless, natural, and even enjoyable. I can show you how. Join our free course, The Winning Formula Launchpad, at the link below. Master 5 steps to win and make success predictable. Join now.